Welcome to another video episode from us, Military Tech. Today we are talking about the Russian S-400 Triumf air defense missile system. How effective is the S-400 Triumf air defense missile system? Can it destroy all jets? Russia's S-400 Triumf, or SA-21 Growler, is a mobile, surface-to-air missile system. This weapon system is capable of engaging aircraft and cruise missiles, and can also shoot down ballistic missiles. This is the latest generation of Russian SAMs and replaces the older S-200 and S-300 models. The capabilities and mission set of the S-400 are roughly equivalent to those of the United States Patriot. However, unlike some Patriot interceptors today, the S-400 does not currently utilize hit-to-kill ballistic missile defense technology. However, Russia is developing a new interceptor, the 77N6, that employs a hit-to-kill system. S-400 Triumf features. In addition to its multifunction radar, the S-400 Triumf system comprises an anti-aircraft missile system, launchers, and command and control center. It can fire 3 types of missiles to create a layered defense. It is capable of engaging all types of aerial targets within the range of 400 kilometers at an altitude of 30 kilometers, including aircraft, unmanned aerial vehicles, and ballistic and cruise missiles. The system is designed to be able to engage 36 targets at the same time. During the country's military intervention in Ukraine, Russia's S-400 air defense system engaged and destroyed a Ukrainian Su-27 fighter near Kyiv, marking its first combat and first kill. According to reports, the shootdown occurred on February 25. The S-400 anti-aircraft missiles installed in Belarus shot down a Ukrainian Su-27 fighter plane over Kyiv at a distance of 150 kilometers, resulting in a huge meteor shower over the city. The S-400 set a new long-distance record for shooting down an enemy aircraft in actual combat. S-400 air defense systems are twice as effective as previous Russian air defense systems, and they can be deployed within 5 minutes. Additionally, it can be integrated into existing and future air defense units of the Air Force, Army, and Navy. Its specifications. The S-400 is mainly equipped with 48N6 missiles. With these missiles, it can strike aerial targets from ranges of up to 250 kilometers and intercept ballistic missiles from a radius of 60 kilometers, using a high explosive warhead weighing 143 kilograms in both cases. Tests are also underway for another missile series, the 77N6. The 77N6 missiles, like the PAK-3, use a hit-to-kill technology, unlike other Russian SAMs, and are designed specifically to destroy ballistic missile warheads. S-400 Triumf missiles. With its claimed range of 400 kilometers, the 40N6 missile of the S-400 is able to intercept targets at great distances with active radar homing. It can be used against the AWACS, J-STARS, EA-6B support jammers, and other high-value targets. In addition, the S-400 Triumf can launch 9M96E and 9M96E2 medium-range ground-to-air missiles. In addition to having a high hit probability, the missiles are designed for direct impact against fast-moving targets such as fighter aircraft. The maximum range of the 9M96E missile is 120 kilometers. S-400 development. Russia began developing the S-400 in 1993. Budget restrictions following the collapse of the Soviet Union, however, limited Russia's ability to design an entirely new system. Between 70 to 80% of the technology employed by the initial S-400 design was taken and adapted from the S-300, including missile storage containers, launchers, and radars. The S-400 launchers were also designed to be compatible with S-300 interceptor variants. The first S-400 systems became operational in 2007 and entered service with the 1st Air Defense Corps responsible for defending Moscow. We end here today and hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, comment, and share. Let's meet in the next video.